Ajrak is a name given to a unique form of block-printed shawls found in Sindh, Pakistan. These shawls display special designs and patterns made using block printing by stamps. Over the years, Ajraks have become a symbol of the Sindhi culture and traditions. Pakistani clothes in general express the culture of Pakistan, the demographics of Pakistan and cultures from Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Gilgit-Baltistan and Kashmir, the regions of the country. The dresses in each regional culture are reflecting weather conditions, way of living and distinctive style, which gives it a unique identity among all cultures.